Hey everybody, Tony Collum here. I want to talk about, I'm fishing on Lake Wedowee today, and I want to talk about one of the best ways to catch wintertime fish, whether it be ditch fishing or out in the middle somewhere using forward-facing sonar or just regular 2D sonar. This is something I just recently picked up. I got it on FNGO Fish North Georgia when they had their guest Bill Payne on, and it is spoon fishing. Most people are familiar with the spoon, whether it be silver, white, chartreuse, whatever color spoon. Spoon fishing is a great way to target your ditch fish, target fish suspended, things like that, jigging it up and down, casting out, jigging it back to the boat, whichever way you decide to do it. Now, for me, what I have found, Bill Payne released a little bit of juice on that show that day, and I was in the studio to see it, and that is the feathered treble. Right now I got it about 18 to 20 inches up from the bottom, and it seems to be hitting pretty good. I've caught several nice crappie. I've caught some spotted bass. I've caught a largemouth bass on it. But feathered treble, I use a red hook, a number 1, number 2, whichever, it doesn't matter. I tie a different knot. Everybody wants to go with the Palomar knot. I am not a huge fan of the Palomar knot. I tie a different style knot. I'll show it in another video. But I make my own feathered treble, a little bit of tail feathers, a little bit of flashaboo, and tying that up 18 to 20 inches from the spoon itself has been absolute fire. Now, how do I find these fish? First thing, I use my graphs. I use my electronics. I spend a lot of money on the electronics that I have, and it's not nowhere near what everybody else is going to spend, but I spend money on those electronics to use them. There's no reason to go out here and peck away at the bank, to peck away in different areas, when you can literally just go scan with your electronics, find groups of fish, find structure, find cover, whatever's holding those fish, and then use this jigging spoon. Now, I will say, the jigging spoon hangs up quite a bit more than some traditional lures, but it catches the fish, and I'm here to prove it. That's a good fish. That's what I'm looking for right there. Sitting on the bottom. I mean, you couldn't even see him sitting there. He destroyed that feather. You ate my feather. I mean, absolutely destroyed. I'm gonna have to make another one. 185. Got a mouthful of shad. Good fish. Good fish. Little bitty fella, but he'll work. Crappie, a big old slab too. Son, that's a slab right there now. That is a slab and a half. That's a slab crappie, boy. Oh, largemouth. Oh, largemouth. I'm gonna get him back in the water because it hit his tongue. Get the spoon that time. Just a little old spotted bass, nothing major.